Experiencing speed limitations or a locked Tesla Model 3? This usually stems from the gateway lock, valet mode, or enforced speed limits. The gateway lock is a security feature that restricts vehicle functions to prevent unauthorized access or modifications. Valet mode limits the car to 70 miles per hour and restricts certain features, ideal for safe parking or rental situations. Speed limits are enforced by the car's computer to ensure safe operation and compliance. These systems work through the vehicle's ECU and gateway module, monitoring and restricting functions via software. These issues can occur after software glitches, aftermarket modifications, or rental use. Understanding the cause is the first step to finding a fix for your Tesla Model 3. First, check if valet mode is active. This mode limits speed and access for safety during rentals or service. To disable valet mode, access the controls on the touchscreen and enter your PIN. If valet mode isn't the issue, check for recent over-the-air software updates that might have caused the lock. Also, reflect on any aftermarket modifications. Installing third-party devices can interfere with the car's systems and activate the gateway lock. In early 2025, a Hertz rental fleet experienced this issue. Identifying the trigger will guide your troubleshooting efforts. The most reliable solution is contacting a Tesla service center. These authorized facilities have access to Tesla's proprietary diagnostic tools and software, allowing technicians to properly diagnose and reset gateway locks. They have proprietary tools to diagnose and reset the gateway lock. Tesla service can run a full diagnostic and apply the correct firmware patch to restore your car's performance. This method ensures your warranty remains intact and avoids potential safety risks. However, this can take time and is not a DIY solution. If possible, schedule an appointment online or via the Tesla app to speed up the process. For tech-savvy owners, DIY fixes exist, but proceed with caution. Tools like the OB-Link MX Plus scanner paired with apps like Torque Pro allow reading and resetting error codes. Tools like the OBD-Link MX Plus scanner paired with apps like Torque Pro allow reading and resetting error codes. You can also find specialized apps that claim to unlock Tesla features. Here are examples of diagnostic apps like ForceScan and Torque that can help with reading and resetting codes. However, Tesla warns that bypassing security features voids warranties and could lead to remote deactivation. Incorrectly using these tools can compromise safety systems like ABS and stability control. Only attempt these fixes if you have a strong understanding of automotive systems. Begin by locating your Tesla Model 3's OBD2 port, typically found under the dashboard on the driver's side. Connect the OBD2 scanner firmly to the port. Ensure it's secure to establish a proper connection. Open the diagnostic app on your smartphone that's paired with the OBD2 device. Scan for error codes. Look specifically for codes related to the gateway module or speed control systems. Research the codes online or using the app's database. For example, P codes indicate powertrain issues that may cause speed limits. Select the option to clear or reset the error codes. This may lift temporary speed restrictions. Test drive the vehicle to verify if the speed limit is lifted. If issues persist, seek professional Tesla service. Always document your steps. If the problem continues, it may require professional attention. To prevent future gateway locks on your Tesla Model 3, start by avoiding any unauthorized aftermarket modifications. These can trigger the vehicle's security systems, leading to speed limitations or complete locks. Always stick to Tesla-approved accessories and software updates. Using third-party components can interfere with the car's electronic systems and cause the gateway to lock down functions for safety reasons. When using rental Teslas, be extra cautious and always remember to disable valet mode when you're finished. Valet mode limits vehicle performance and can sometimes persist, causing ongoing restrictions. Make it a habit to regularly check for software updates and install them as soon as they're available. Tesla releases updates that improve security and fix potential issues that could lead to gateway locks. According to automotive experts, while Tesla's gateway lock system has reduced Model 3 thefts by 60%, it can sometimes frustrate legitimate owners due to unintended triggers. By following these preventative measures, you can help ensure a smooth and uninterrupted driving experience with your Tesla Model 3. Bypassing Tesla's security features has legal and safety implications. Tampering with speed limits or other safety systems can void your insurance and lead to liability issues in case of an accident. Tampering with safety systems increases accident risk and voids insurance. Studies show unofficial fixes can compromise ABS and stability control, raising accident risk by 20%. Ensure any fix is performed by certified technicians to avoid causing malfunctions or compromising safety. Professional intervention is the safest approach. Remember, Tesla can remotely flag modified vehicles, leading to warranty denial or even deactivation. This has led to lawsuits and regulatory scrutiny. Looking ahead to future trends, Tesla is expected to implement enhanced security measures, such as hardware-locked electronic control units to prevent unauthorized modifications. This will make it much harder for unofficial fixes to work. Hardware-locked ECUs would physically secure the electronic control units, preventing tampering at the hardware level. This addresses current vulnerabilities where software-based locks can be bypassed. Regulatory bodies may mandate standardized security protocols, compelling Tesla to provide open application programming interfaces for repairs. This would balance strong security with user accessibility. Tesla's goal will be to strike a balance between robust security and user accessibility. Keep an eye on future software updates and official announcements for these enhancements. Environmental trends are connecting speed limits to efficiency modes, potentially tracking carbon footprints to encourage eco-friendly driving. This integrates sustainability with vehicle security features.